The 2025 BMW X7 isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a rolling masterpiece of power, technology, and prestige. If you think you've seen luxury before, think again. This beast is here to dominate the roads, with its bold design, high-end features, and performance that will leave you speechless. Buckle up, because the new X7 is about to set a new standard in the world of full-size SUVs. Right away, the X7 commands attention with its striking presence. The massive kidney grille remains, now paired with sleek split LED headlights that give the front end a futuristic look. Sculpted body lines and an aggressive stance make it clear that this isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar and redesigned bumper add to its bold and refined appearance. With available 23-inch alloy wheels, the X7 is built to turn heads wherever it goes. Step inside, and the X7 welcomes you with a world of pure luxury. Premium leather upholstery, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents create a first-class atmosphere. The massive curved display, featuring a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch touchscreen, is the heart of BMW's iDrive 8.5 system, offering seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. A crystal-finished gear selector, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof enhance the premium feel, while heated and ventilated seats ensure maximum comfort. The xDrive 40i comes with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, producing 375 horsepower for a smooth yet powerful ride. If that's not enough, the M60i features a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 523 horsepower, delivering serious performance. But for those who want the ultimate driving experience, the Alpina XB7 takes things even further with a mind-blowing 630 horsepower V8, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the market. Every X7 comes with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring a confident and dynamic drive no matter the conditions. Even with its large size, the X7 is surprisingly agile, thanks to its adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering. Whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating tight city streets, this SUV remains smooth, responsive, and incredibly refined. And with BMW's advanced driver assistance systems, including hands-free lane changing and adaptive cruise control, long drives become effortless. The starting price of the 2025 BMW X7 is around $85,000 for the base xDrive 40i model. But if you want the high-performance M60i or the ultra-luxurious Alpina XB7, be prepared to go well beyond $153,000. It's not just an SUV, it's an experience, and BMW has made sure that every dollar spent feels worth it. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.